here too. Up here. Hey, this one. Go and lock it in. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Nice and sealed. Back on there. There is the. Again, I think I got any of mine. I got any over there? Hate putting that back on there with that. Not good. I got any? Think I got any? Anywhere? Think. No, too loose. Oh yeah. Have to replace that. Replace this one of these days. As long as it's got no cracks in it. Be alright. Still tight, okay. Screwdriver. Tighten your butt back up. See, let's get the serpentine back on. Okay. Okay. Let's get the serpentine back on. It's gonna come back up. That goes over that. It's gonna go over this. Goes over here. See, where are you? Over here. Put them over here. Okay. So that looks good. Okay, go here. Alright. It's gonna go. Okay. We're almost there. With this hold up, this can go over the top of this and then down under this pulley here. And just for the heck of it, listen to it. Sounds okay. Okay. Well, get your stuff back on a little bit further. It's gonna be sitting on that pulley. Come on. Come on. Because they grab, they sit right in those little in-depths. And you're not in there. Okay. Very good. On the top of your compressor, down on your tension pulley, up over your water pump, back down around your crank pulley, back up around your power steering pump, over your alternator, and over your over your other pulley. And there we are. We're back together. And that's basically all it took. Very nice. Seems like you're in the driver's seat. Start it up. Alright. Pretty quiet other than the power steering pump. Probably making the noise. Let's see what I got in here. pulling coal, that's good. You got any lights on your dash other than ABS? Alternator's good? Okay. So we changed the alternator in another video. So, but what I want to check right now is actually see if that compressor works. And the way you do that is you override the switch. Because I ain't got any double. Any wires. Think I got any cheaters while I'm here? No. What's that? Why would I? So I gotta make one. That's cool. So I gotta make a cheater. And if everything's working okay with that compressor, you'll see how it kicks in. All I have her do, babe, put that on defrost. As you can see, now it's kicking in. Sounds good. And then I pull that, it'll shut off. Plug it back in. It goes. It's actually a good, actually a good compressor. It's about 21 years old. So, all right, takes care of that. That tells me you got a good. It's a good compressor. So it sounds really good. Bearings in it, running really well. Okay, babe, and you should have your fan should kick in when you do that. Kick it back to normal. Just turn it off. Huh? Just turn it off. Just turn it off. No, the air compressor. Or the.
I said turn off the engine and you said turn it off.
I can't hear you. I thought you meant you're talking about the.
So turn it back on?
No, I'm fine. We'll let it go. Now just turn off your vent.
I did.
Okay, good. All right, so there we are. And everything's the way it should be. AC compressor has been swapped out. The ear tight, everything here is hooked back up, and we are set. So, and that was overridden on that. So she's gonna order another dryer here, and then we'll change that out as soon as we get it. But this is your example of a bad bearing system, and the cutting in there. They do make a rebuild kit if you want to do that, but that is that. All right, I'll just go over it quick, what we just did. Your plumbing plugged into the back of your compressor is a 10. These compressor mounting bolts are 13s. And then your tensioning pulley bolt head is a 15. Double check. I believe it's a 15. Because I got the kit, so it doesn't. Yeah, it's definitely. I believe it's a 15. Because that was a 14. Or you can actually use American made. That would be a 19. Oh, that's too big. So it's that kit doesn't have a 15 in it. Think that's something? Okay, 15. If you're going to use a ratchet on it, yep, it's a 15. So there's your systems. But if you've actually got a pulley kit, then you'll be able to use the units that you got in there. Alright, so we'll go. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Project Stand.